Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've missed you guys. It seems like I haven't put up like an eating video in a few days. Like I just didn't know what I was gonna do. So here we are, you guys. I just got out of work, whipped up a quick meal. I made some brats, short for bratwursts. And then I got some kettle cooked jalapeno chips. And I cut up a watermelon earlier. We're gonna eat a little bit of that with some Tajin. So yeah, I hope you guys have been well. I missed you guys. Good to sit down, sit here, talk with you guys, enjoy a meal. You guys have the first bite. Come on. So I put some mayo, I put ketchup, and I put mustard. Normally in my brats, I only put mustard, but why not just have all the condiments today, right? Guys, bratwursts are actually some of my favorite summertime foods. I don't know. I just realized that I don't really make these throughout the year unless it's summertime, you know? It's just there's something about a good old bratwurst in the summer. That's so good. You know I gotta have my mineral water. So, yeah, I cut up this watermelon earlier. I had it in the fridge so it could get cold. So I thought, why not have some watermelon with some Tajin? If you guys have never had watermelon with Tajin, honey, you're missing out. I'm so hungry, guys. I eat 2 good meals a day. Today I had actually wanted to make breakfast because I bought a waffle maker. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys already know that. But you know, I had to test it out. I did. It was amazing. I made some really big bratwurst. What? I made some really big waffles. The batter asked for it called for 2 cups of batter and oil and water. And it was yeah, it makes 10 or 12. I am talking if the box talked to me. The instructions said it was gonna make 10 or 12 waffles, and I was only able to make 3 1/4, 3 1/2. Let's just say 3 1/2. They were huge, but I was what the hell? That didn't make 10 or 12 waffles. Because at first I was 2 cups seems like a lot. I don't know. All I gotta say is they were good. I want to make some more. Maybe we should do a waffle challenge on my channel. Kind of we'll make some waffles right here together, and then before I make the video, I can get a few items and put it on my Instagram, and you guys can tell me what I should put on my waffle. I have to eat it. I was super hungry. So hungry. I ate like that. It was 9 a.m. but I've done a lot since then, like cleaning wise and stuff around the house before I went into work. A girl's gotta eat. Like, my energy ran down, you know? Let's put some Tajin. So I got this one because I use a lot of Tajin. It's low sodium. I don't know if you know, but I didn't know that there was low sodium Tajin, and I was like, you know what? A girl be putting a lot of Tajin sometimes, so maybe the lower the sodium, the better, and I could just add double. I don't think that helps, right? Here you guys have the first one. So it's not that sweet, surprisingly. I love a sweet watermelon. A sweet watermelon with Tajin. It's like semi-sweet. Nothing a little Tajin can't fix. Give it a little spiciness. Have another bite, guys. I know this is like a Mexican thing, but maybe other people do it too. Like, if you're not Hispanic or Mexican, have you ever tried this? You can find it at Walmart. The best thing to put this on, oh, let me tell you. Yes, watermelon is good, but pineapples in the pineapple juice. Don't get the one in syrup, because I don't know, I just think that's too sweet. I never get the one in syrup. Get yourself some of this. Fruits, oranges, watermelon, pineapple, cucumbers with lime, and that, you got yourself a little snack tray. I want you guys to try it. Tell me if you like it. So good. I had to get all sides of this one. So what have you guys been up to? What are your guys's meal plans for this week? I have no idea what I'm gonna make all week. Those moms out there, maybe dads too, I don't know. The cook of the house. Don't you hate when you have those weeks where you feel like you're cooking the same thing, or you have stuff in your house or fridge or cabinets or whatever? I mean, you're just like, what do I make? You know? Sometimes I'm completely lost as to what to make. I'm like in and out of the refrigerator and the cabinets. I'm like, I don't know. And then everybody's sitting there hungry, like, what are we gonna eat? And I'm like, having a hard time figuring that out. And then nobody ever knows what they want to eat either. So, if you follow me on Instagram, I recently started streaming again. on Twitch, which is my gaming channel. My gaming channel I have on Twitch. And those of you who are gamers out there, make sure you go and find me. So that you guys can hang out with me live while I'm playing. And trust me, we talk food there. Most of my followers, they already know that this girl loves to talk food. So go find me so we can actually hang out live. Because here, when I post a video, I have to wait for you guys to comment, you know? It's like a back and forth kind of thing. I'm actually thinking about going live soon. So let me know down in the comments if you guys would like to hang out with me on a live stream here on YouTube. I've thought about it a few times. And back when I didn't know what I was doing with my channel just yet, and I was still kind of gaming a lot, but I was still, you know, into my cooking and all of that. I would go, I think I went live a few times to cook and stuff like that, but it was most of my gaming friends that would come and hang out with me. Those chips are my favorite. You know you want the last bite. That was a big bite. Excuse me. You guys already know how to eat my ice. Whew. I'm done. That was good. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I don't know what I'm gonna go do next. I am actually gonna go play. I'm gonna go and stream on Twitch. I don't know what yet, but this video should be up soon. I'll actually edit this video and try to get it up before I start gaming. But like I said, if you are into gaming and PlayStation, go follow me on Twitch. I'm going to leave my information down in the description. So, you guys can hang out with me while I'm playing live. In order to comment on Twitch, and I'm just a little FYI, because I think I had a friend the other day that tried to pop in, but they weren't able to comment in my stream. You have to be a verified user, so you have to sign up with your email on Twitch. You don't have to be a streamer or anything like that. You just have to have an account, just like you would on YouTube and all that other jazz. You have to have an account. So make sure you sign up and go follow me. Like I said, I'm going to leave my information down in the description. Make sure you hit the subscribe button here, like, comment, and share with your friends. And I'll see you next video. Bye.